Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best electric wheelchairs that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Drive Medical SFS-COUT4 Travel Scooter. This is an amazing electric wheelchair that offers easy assembling and disassembling. It boasts an ultra-quality construction, making it better and more reliable. Additionally, the product also offers easy assembling and disassembling. For that reason, the wheelchair offers easy carrying to different places. What's more, this electric wheelchair also features an adjustable delta tiller. The ergonomic throttle control function makes it better and more effective. And yes, it also offers an effective freewheel operation for more convenient performances. This electric wheelchair also features a padded design for more reliable and comfortable service. Its adjustable armrest delivers utmost comfort. And yes, the adjustable swivel seat adds to the excellent features. It ensures that you enjoy more convenient and reliable services. The set includes a powerful and long-life battery that delivers impressive ranges. For instance, the battery cranks a whopping 9-mile distance with just a single charge. Moving on at number 4, we have Foldable Leon Travel Electric Wheelchair. This is an ultra-grade electric wheelchair designed to offer excellent functions on different terrains. The product boasts a top-tier construction. And yes, it also features lightweight construction. For that reason, you enjoy more convenient operations. This is an excellent wheelchair for anyone with mobility issues. It features up to 4 wheels that deliver the utmost comfort and stability. Additionally, the product also works on all terrains. It is fitted with a long-range battery that offers excellent services. For instance, the battery delivers up to 25 miles with a single charge. Therefore, this is a perfect wheelchair for running errands around your home. It also features an eco-friendly construction. Therefore, this is an ideal product for your different needs. At number 3, we have Fold and Travel Scooter Electric Wheelchair. This is a lightweight and ultra-quality electric wheelchair designed to offer efficient and effective operations. It is designed to guarantee excellent services for anyone with mobility issues. Of course, the product also boasts a portable construction. The lightweight and compact design make it ideal for carrying around. It even fits into car trunks for transportation. The product weighs 55 pounds. At the same time, this electric wheelchair holds up to 330 pounds. This is a long-life product fitted with a powerful battery for reliable performances. The long-range battery delivers up to 28 kilometers with a single charge. What's more, the product also boasts a top-grade construction for utmost safety and performance. The high-quality more guarantees efficient services even in uneven terrains. Another thing, this electric wheelchair boasts a high-tech construction. It boasts advanced brushless motor technology, making it better and more reliable. Excellent motor technology guarantees reliable operations. What's more, the wheelchair also boasts a premium quality leather seat that guarantees comfort for the users. It also features an additional flap seat for kids. At number 2, we have 2022 Limited Edition Electric Wheelchair. This is another high-grade electric wheelchair. It features a top-tier construction. And yes, the product also features a travel-friendly construction, making it ideal for use in different places. It is compact and lightweight. Additionally, the product also features a top-grade frame, making it better and more reliable. The product is also equipped with different safety features to ensure that you enjoy convenient services. It includes all the necessary items required for convenient performances. The easy-to-handle design makes it even better. It folds for easy storage. And yes, it easily fits into most car trunks. Therefore, you can easily carry the chair to different locations. This electric wheelchair features a nice backrest that removes for easy cleaning. For that reason, this is a low-maintenance electric wheelchair. The stylish and durable construction also makes it perfect for use. It boasts a tough aircraft-grade carbon steel material for unmatched durability. What's more, this is a convenient product for all terrains. It is equipped with a powerful motor and a high-volume battery. For that reason, the product guarantees the utmost convenience. And finally at number 1. Airline Approved Transport Electric Wheelchair. This is an upgraded 2022 electric wheelchair designed to offer safety and comfort for the users. The product boasts a top-tier design and construction. Additionally, it also boasts a lightweight construction, making it better and easy to carry. You can carry this wheelchair to different places. The advanced alloy material offers a long-lasting solution. And yes, the product also guarantees utmost stability even on uneven terrains. It also assembles and disassembles easily for convenient transportation. The powerful motor offers advanced performances as well. This product boasts an excellent brushless motor that delivers incredible performances. And yes, it also boasts an adjustable speed joystick for a more reliable operation. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.